Mm. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another day. I'm not in my house. I'm at my mom's place, so pardon the background. I went to see my mom yesterday. Let me give you a gist. Yesterday, I was in ninth class with the advanced traders, and she saw me typing CLT. My mom is 65. So I said, CLT. Is it not candle range? I say, you know candle range theory. He said, yes, now that shall be following my status style. Shall be seeing it. I see out it, candle range theory. I said, Mama said, no candle range theory. ah, yeah, it's so nice. My mom also knows candle range theory. Forget it. All right, we are live, we are live, we are live. Okay, so type on the chat box, tell friends that you're live. You're live. You're live. You're live. You're live. You're live. I want to give us one psychological act this morning. Write it on the chat box. Bank levels. Of course, now we teach bank levels. Everything I know, you will know it. No worry. We are here together. Everything I know, you will know it. It's step by step. So let me first say this before I continue what I'm saying. Write on the chat box. I have no fear of missing out. I have no FOMO. Write it down. I have no FOMO. I have no fear of missing out. So if the market has gone, if price has delivered 1,000 pips, and so what, I have no fear of missing out. Even if I missed the big move today, market moved 1 million pips today. That movement is not the end. So the way I used to solve this kind of missing out, I tell myself, okay, if I have caught that move, if I have won that move, will that be the only thing will that be the only thing I will place? That's the way I used to solve my own missing out problem. If I had actually caught that 1,000 pips on gold, on BTC, on US 30, if I have caught the move, I have made $1 million. Let's put it that way. That day, will that be the only trade I will place? The answer is no. I will still trade tomorrow. I will still trade next week. I will still trade next year. So while it is painful to miss trades, yes, of course, it will pay you. What's your response? That's the goal. What's your response when you miss a trade? So what next? So it's just to tell yourself, there's no fear of missing out. Oh. Now, currently, BTC is on 90K. And so what? Allow the market to do its thing. There's no fear of missing out. You show up every day to do your thing. All right? I have no fear of missing out. Yeah. No fear of missing out. That will keep you, that mindset alone will help you trade okay well. So for the bank level, I want you to write out every concept that you now understand. Okay? Because this is how it works. We have two categories. We have trading concepts and we have trading strategy. Okay? Trading concepts on one end and trading strategy on the other end. Trading strategy is how you apply trading concepts. Okay? Your trading strategy is how you apply trading concepts. So you have different trading concepts. Demand is a concept, CRT is a concept, supply is a concept, bank level is a concept, market structure is a concept. You have concepts. So your job is to start ticking the concepts that you now understand. And we have made it simple in wiser pips. DLC is the filter. Type in DLC. DLC is the filter. Any concept you are learning in the market, it is either a directional concept, a location concept, or a what? Confirmation concept. So how does this help you? It helps you to not give yourself pressure, because guess what? Bank level is doing the same work of demand. Other block is doing the same work of demand. So why you want to understand and know other things, you already have what it takes. You already have what it takes to make money with currently. So because I'm using bank level to make pips, doesn't mean that you already have what you like. Do you know what I'm trying to say now? So DLC helps you to filter the noise, not to be pressurized with somebody else's edge. Because guess what? That edge the person is using is doing the same work with what you already have. So you are a guy that use support and resistance, for example, that people underrate. Guess what? Support and resistance is doing the same work with demand and supply. They are all location concepts. For confirmation, a smart money concept trader, SMC, is using market structure shifts. Guess what? Candlestick is also a confirmation. So when price gets to your location of your demand or other block or support or resistance, a smart money concept trader wants to see a shift in market structure. But a price action trader wants to see a candle close in that location. Both of them are using different concepts for the same purpose. Who is getting me this morning? So while it is good to learn a new concept, ask yourself, what is that concept doing? Is it a location concept, a confirmation concept, or a direction concept? And you will see that you already have a concept you are currently using already. So again, it helps you to just filter that noise. And while you still want to learn more, yes, there's always room to improve. But what you have already, alpha, is what you have. Are you with me, somebody? If you understand, I type in understand. I understand. I understand. I understand. I understand. I understand. So one, no fear of missing out. One is that there's no what? There's no fear of missing out. I don't care what the market has done. I don't care how far it has gone. There's tomorrow. There's next week. I am calm. Let's start with that. I am calm. I am calm. I am calm. I'm not trying to chase I am calm. I don't chase. I am calm. I am calm. I am calm. I don't chase price. I am calm. I am calm. I am calm. I don't chase price. I don't chase price. I don't chase price. I don't chase price. So this is a mindset that keeps us going. Now let's complete our let me. I am calm. Yes, thank you. I am calm, not chasing price. Okay. So let's complete our affirmations. So we started. We have done the first. I think we are in 50. We have done the first 5, second 5, and the third 5. So yesterday we stopped at the 15th affirmation, which is I am a magnet for wealth. All right. We will continue with the remaining 5 today. Okay, just give me a sec. Yeah, so the 16th one would be I am worthy of abundance. Let's go. I am what? I am worthy. I am worthy. I am worthy. I am worthy. I am worthy of it. Yes. Now there's a book that we are going to read. Okay. There's a book we are going to read, The Secret of what's that book again? No, Emotional Free Secrets. Let me check that. Let me check the title again. Secrets to Emotion Free Trading. Yeah. There's a book called Secrets to Emotion Free Trading. In that book, one of the chapter is I deserve to make money. Because in this market, the market will make you feel as if you don't deserve because you are not used to making 1K dollars in minutes. You're not used to making millions in minutes. The first time I made my 1K dollars in a day, I had to close the trade. The take profit was still going to $3,000 because I'm like, okay, this 1K dollars life, this 1 million. So make it not go reversal. So that's my mindset. I had to cut my profit in 1K dollars and I was happy. But guess what? Market still went times 3. So my take profit, it's not as if I was greedy. I wasn't greedy. I had set a take profit. But market is currently running on $1,000 profit. But I already had an unconscious mindset of not deserving, like maybe when you go back to court. There's a way your mindset will deal with you that even you have the right, you have the strategy, you have the skill. If your mind is not open to abundance, you will sabotage your success. So you tell yourself, I am worthy of abundance. I deserve to make millions daily. I deserve to make millions daily. Let's write it down. I deserve it. I deserve it. It's a big deal. Oh. It's a big deal because you are not used to it. Our parents spend the toil months, years to make a living. But as traders, in a split of minutes, you are making millions. So there is that part of undeservedness that this money you deserve and so. What do you do to make am? Sweat. You make millions. So there is this. Who know what I'm talking about? Who know what I'm talking about here? That the limited mindset will now bring you back to what we are used to. It's either you blow the account or you now lose the money back. You will now be calm. So what you do is you raise the bar in your consciousness. So I tell myself, my financial thermostat has been set to millions and billions and trillions of dollars. My financial thermostat has been set to so I can relate to millions of dollars. I can relate to billions of dollars. I can relate to trillions of dollars. My mindset, my thermostat is reprogrammed, is set. These are how you solve the problem, right? You set your financial thermostat. I deserve millions. They're not writing it. I deserve the billions. I am worthy of making millions daily. Mr. Albert, where you go now? Mr. Albert, where you go? You don't leave me streets. Mr. Albert. You don't forget your boy. You know good though. Mr. Albert, how far now? How you doing, man? I've missed you. I deserve millions daily. Seriously, I deserve it. Right? I deserve millions daily. Let me shock you. On my vision board, I wrote that I am so happy and grateful now. I am making 7 figures weekly. I wrote that August, right? 1st of August, I wrote on my vision board, I am so happy and grateful now that I make 7 figures weekly, trading my candle range and all that. Guess what? That month, I made 7 figures is a day. So while I was even like projecting I'm going to make 7 figures weekly, I made 7 figures. That was the beginning of my 7 figures daily. That's August 25th. Right? So these things they are practical things that we have tested. It's not. So when I'm saying that 10K days a year, 10K days a year. So for me now, I have made consistent 1K days. So my 10K days, just on Friday or Thursday, I closed 5K profit live. So I've realized that when you set a goal, you won't jump into that goal. For example, now if your goal is to make 1K, you first lose. You now make 500. You now make 100. You make 200, 500, 500, 500, 500, then 1,000. That's the way it works. Now, if you now set your goal to 10,000, you will not make 10,000. You first make 1,000, 5,000, 1,000, lose 5,000, then 10,000. You won't make it like palm like that. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. So I've been shouting it since 10K days a year. Take Oga. Thursday, I did 5K. I said, okay, I get it there. So you keep on saying it. I deserve to make millions daily. My 10K days a year, 100K days a year, $1 million days a year. Come on. People are making this money. They don't have two heads. You already have the skill. So I tell my guys, you guys know that the only obstacle between you and your goal is your skill. Can you trade? Full stop. Don't worry, capital will come. Can you trade? Full stop. Let's not go further into that. The next on my list here is number 17. Yeah, it's a simple one. It just says, I am successful. I am successful. I am successful. Simple. I am successful. I am successful. I am successful. Number 18 would be, I have confidence in my trading abilities. I have confidence in my trading abilities. I have confidence in my trading abilities. Let's go. Are we together? I have confidence in my trading abilities. I have confidence in my trading abilities. We all know my mantra of patience, confidence, discipline, resilience, and all that. Now, the first rule is patience, right? Now, you have waited patiently for your A+ setup. After patience, you need confidence to take the trade you have waited for. Because you have waited for your A+. You don't show. When you enter now, you don't wait for your A+. You don't show. When you enter, you see they say, relate, Oga, enter the trade. Confidence. You start becoming confident by speaking it. It's simple. You start becoming confident. See, the mouth, the brain. There's one guy that said something so powerful. He said his father is a medical doctor. And he told him, he said, Joshua, the nerve in the tongue is connected to the body. If I a science student here, I don't know this particular, but he's a doctor, so he said so. That the nerve in the tongue is connected to the body, other parts of the system. So what you speak, what you say with your mouth, the brain is speaking it. The system are adjusting. So the best time to say that you are confident is when you are not. The best time to say that you are disciplined is when you are not. Speak it. There is a connectivity with the mouth and the brain and the body. Things begin to align. These are natural, spiritual, and scriptural principles. I have confidence in my abilities. As you speak it, your brain is speaking it. Your body is adjusting to it. I have confidence. I have confidence. I am patient. I am confident. I am disciplined. I am consistent. I am resilient. I am relentless. I have confidence. I have confidence. Yeah. Number 19. I am powerful. I am what? I am powerful. Yes, you are. Number 20. I am calm. Number 20. I am calm. Now, these things are I'm not giving you motivational speech. I'm not trying to motivate you. I'm telling you these are practical things. These are natural principles. This is not motivational speech. I'm not motivating you. I'm giving you, in fact, if you understand the spirit, soul, and body of man, the spirit is perfect, right? The spirit does not have default. So this is actually your reality. This you are actually powerful. Like you are actually powerful. It is. I'm not trying to. I'm just awareing you. I'm bringing it to your consciousness. I'm making you aware that, bro, you're powerful. Oh. Hope you know. Like, do you know that you're powerful? So I'm telling you what you already have. I'm not telling you what you don't have. You are powerful. Do you understand? So let your mind align with your spirit. You are powerful. I am focused. I am focused. The next one is that's 20, yeah. Then 21 is I am focused. I think let's stop the 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's stop at 20. Right? So we are good. We are good for today. Um I am focused is 21. Let's just complete it. 21 is I am focused. 22 is I am a disciplined trader. All right. Then 23 is I am loving kindness, compassion, and acceptance. That's just a sidebar. But yeah, we have gotten to the end of the. So next week we are going to pick another set of affirmation. So every week, my plan is every week we have a new set of affirmation. We have come to the end of the psychological part. So let's now go to the chat. Let's go to the chat. Let's go to the chat. Let's go to the chat. Do some chatting. Some chatting. Some chatting. So BTC. All right. So let's go to the chat. If you can see my screen, just confirm you can see the screen. I'm going to start with the bank levels. So you can, Joshua, I'm going to answer a question right now. I'm going to start with bank levels on BTC. So can you see what you have on BTC? This is the overall, this is a higher time frame view on BTC. I'm going to add my bank levels here now, right? Can you see that we are still going to drop? Next target, I've said it before, BTC is coming to 80K. 80K, 80K, 80K. It's bank level, my brother. It's bank level. This guy is gonna drop so bad, so hard, dropping so hard, dropping so what? Okay, I think we're already close to okay 88K. 88K is where it's going to come to. I said that already in my previous sessions. Okay. So I want to draw my bank level first. Then we go into other things. I want to draw my bank level. Oh, Shabarada to Kopalata. Okay. So my bank level now. Guess what? Let me use. There are different ways to draw bank level. What you're simply doing is you are counting the pip difference. You can have different type of levels, right? So for me, I start by using where price has respected. So if you look at what happened here, 120. The first bank level I did was the all-time high of gold of BTC is a 126K level. Like the all-time high of BTC is 126. Yeah. So I think what I now did was I did um I did 4K difference. 126 minus 4. Let me confirm that. 126K minus 4K. That's 122. Okay. Now let me do 126. Let's go to weekly time frame. Just give me a second. 120, 80, 70, 60, 50. Okay. 100K. 26K. Just give me a second. Let me confirm something. Oh, right. Oh, party and Costa Paradise. This one would be 80 what? 87? Is it 87 now? Okay. Uh, let me check this if they align. Let me check this if they align. So it should be 98. Okay. So I'm trying to get a random, I'm trying to get an even number. Okay. It's about even numbers. It's about even numbers. I'm trying to get an even number. So just follow me. I'm trying to get an even number. Okay. Okay, I see. 120. Uh, 114. 108. Okay. It's 102. Okay, we're getting there. 104. Not 104. It's 2109876. 96. Okay. Then 90K. Okay, yeah, I got it. 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 987654. And we have 84. Yeah, I am there. Finally. Okay. So the next key level, BTC is coming to 84K. So what did I do here? I used 126K is the first. So I just removed 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000. So 126K, 120K, 114, 108, 102, 90, 90. If we continue selling, we are going to what? 84K. Last time when we are at 196K, I told us last week we are going to 90K and we are there. Now, if you are leaving 90K, you are heading towards to 84K. So that's the next key. That's the next key level for BTC. So let's know that. So let me send this to the group. If you are leaving 84K, we are going to what? 4321098. We are going to 78K. So it's just 6666666. 78K is the next. So this is my bank level for BTC. Bank level for BTC. And this one is permanent. I don't remove it. These levels are permanent. These levels are permanent. These levels are permanent. These levels are permanent. You can take this to the bank. Are we together? Okay. So let's see what we have. This is weekly. Let's see. Let's drop down to lower time frame. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have for BTC. What's happening? What's happening to BTC? What's happening to BTC? Can you see? This is yesterday's trade, though. Can you see that yesterday's trade was just a bank? I'm just seeing this now. I'm just seeing this now. A key level to key level. So I will have held this trade. If I joined this bank level yesterday, I know that from if it's leaving this place, we are coming straight to the next bank level. So yesterday we had our CLT at the supply zone. I shared this in the class for the intermediate traders. We had our CLT at 8 o'clock yesterday, and this was yesterday's trade. Sell to this guy. So currently, we want to see price what pull back and continue to sell to the next key level, which is what 84K. All right. So we are still selling. We are still selling for BTC. I mark my supply. And I wait for price to pull back into it. So that's my setup for BTC. We are still selling. We are still selling. Ah, my God. My God. If I have been holding this trade since last week, my money be this. Oh. My money be this. Oh. We are getting the $1 billion and I will collect it. Clean. We are still bearish. If you use our daily, we want to work with our daily range profile. This guy is just dropping off. Let me see. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday. So we are still dropping. Unless if you want to buy, then I want to see Tuesday create the low of the week and give me a shift, right, for a buy. But if not, we are still dropping. All right, we are still dropping. So let's go to Euro USD and we'll look at GBP, Euro USD and GBP USD, Euro USD and GBP USD. So you can see that we are still buying on Euro USD. We have not yet gotten to our candle range high. Let me take everything off and start again because we need to have a clear perspective, right? So this is kind of tricky now. Yeah, it's kind of tricky here because we are already tapped into the daily supply. So it's kind of tricky for Euro USD. Okay. Daily supply. Currently, Monday, Tuesday. What is market doing currently? So let's use our daily range profile. Right? Monday is this candlestick. So what do? We mark the Monday high. Pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. We mark the Monday high and the Monday low. Monday high and Monday low. Monday high and Monday low. Monday high and Monday low. For us to know the direction, there must be a sweep or a run. Write that down. For you to know the direction, you want to see a sweep or a run. For you to know the direction, you want to see a sweep or a run. Because there are only two things that will happen. Market is either sweeping or running. So if they want to be a sell, okay, there are two things that will happen. It's either market will first take out this high and what? Drop. That's for scenario one for itself. Scenario two, market will just break the low, pull back, and sell. Do you understand that now? For a sell scenario, two things can only happen. Our Monday high will be swept, then you will see market displaced back into the range. I always say that market is 90% waiting. The reason why we are having back-to-back losses is because we are not patient to wait for the market to give us its full direction. We are trying to force the market. Market is 90% waiting, 10% execution. You will wait most of the time. What are you waiting for? Waiting for accumulation of orders, waiting for the manipulation of orders. Those two phases, it requires patience. One, waiting for market to accumulate, to generate liquidity. Two, wait for market to grab or to manipulate. But what we are doing is that we are trading in the accumulation phase and in the manipulation phase. Are we together now? So I'm going to, for us to know what market will do, because if you are doing anything now, we are still in the range. Hope you are aware. We are still in the range of what? Of Monday high and Monday low. Everything inside here is still in the range. Everything inside here is still in the range. Everything inside here is still in the range of Monday high and Monday low. So there needs to be a breakout somewhere. There needs to be a breakout somewhere. So this is daily. Let's look at what 1 hour time frame is doing. There needs to be a breakout somewhere. Yeah. So for me, I am still on the bullish side. Why? Number one, in this range, we are in the discount zone. That's one. And number two, look at the structure. We have a break of structure. Okay. This is a break of structure. And we are simply in the what? Demand zone. Can you see? So I am favoring the upside for now. I am favoring what? The upside for EUSD for now. Because two things. We are in the discount zone of the range. Monday high and low. That's one. Are we together? We are in the discount zone of the Monday high and low. And two, according to structure, look at where we are. Demand. So I am still favoring the buy for now. Do you get that now? So let me on my Asia range and see what we can pick from here. What can we possibly do with EUSD now? Yeah. What can we possibly do with EUSD? So I'm going to allow Asian range to close. I'm going to allow Asian range to close. Okay. So for EUSD, when 8 o'clock has closed, I want to know if it is a trending Asian or a ranging Asian. If it is ranging, two things will happen. If it is ranging, I want to see a run. Still the same thing. If this guy wants to buy, if EU wants to buy, I want to see two things. Number one, Asian low will be swept, will come back to this place, then we will buy. So I must see a sweep and a displacement. That's scenario one for a buy. Scenario two for a buy, market will just break of structure, pulls back and continue buying. That's scenario two. So I know what I am expecting. If I don't see those two things, I will not trade. Are you together? So once it's 8 o'clock, I'll be monitoring price action, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Will there be a sweep and a displacement, or there will be a break of structure and a pullback? So that is all I'm expecting. If I don't see it, I don't do anything. But there's a high chance that I think this guy is still going to buy. I don't know. For what I'm seeing, I just believe that he is still bullish for now. I might be wrong. I'm just following what the market is doing. Yeah? Some persons are currently buying. Those are use demand and supply. They are currently on this trade, right? And their target is here. Those that trade demand and supply are currently on this trade, and their target is here. So let me check what GU is doing. Let's compare GU with EU and let's see what we can do from here. Let's check out GBP USD. Okay, this is GU. Let me delete everything again and start from the beginning. So on daily time frame, I will do the same thing too. I mark my Monday range, Monday high and Monday low, and let's see what we have on GU. So this is my GU. This is Monday high, Monday high, Monday low. First thing first. Once your Monday, once Monday candle has delivered, just mark your Monday high and Monday low and just pull on one side because that will give you direction for the week. Monday high and Monday low will give you direction for the week. Monday high, Monday low. Monday high and what? Monday low. Monday high and Monday low. It gives you the direction for the week on GBP USD. Okay. So price might want to be funny to come and take out this liquidity before he buys. Price can be that funny. So we just set out our liquidity levels and watch price do what he wants to do. We don't know what price will do. I want you to set the key levels and wait. Yeah? Set key levels and wait. Set key levels and wait. So this is daily. Let's go to 1 hour. Set your key levels and wait. This guy is very, very messy. Very, very messy price action. It's just this is kind of is messier than E. So what I can see here is I have my recent break of structure here. I have a recent break of structure on 1 hour. Recent break of structure. Recent break of structure. Yeah. And this is the low and the high. So let's do this together. Higher low, external higher low, all right? External higher high. So that's my range. Okay, external higher low and external higher high. So we are still bullish until this external higher low is taken out. We are still bullish. We are still bullish. We are still bullish until this external higher low is taken out. We are still what? Bullish. Okay. So we're going to wait and see how price is going to react. Like I said, 80% or 90% of the time is what? Waiting, waiting, waiting. You're 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 waiting. What pair do you want to analyze? What pair do you want me to analyze? What pair do you want me? Let's go to gold. We do silver, then we call it a day. Gold, silver. Okay. This is gold. Are you not live? Okay. I'm coming. Okay, let's go. So gold. This is what I have for gold. We are currently at the demand level, right? Demand. Then I'm going to mark my Monday high and Monday low. Same thing. This is Monday low. Monday low and Monday high. It's 8 o'clock. Monday low and what? Monday high. Yeah. I'm seeing something here. Could this be a change of character that we are at this supply? Could this be a change of character? Mm. Guys, what do you think? Okay, it didn't come with the body clothes, so it's a sweep. Okay, I see. This didn't come with the body clothes. Okay, this didn't come with the body clothes, so it's a sweep. So assuming this guy used a cloth to the body, yeah, it will have been a change. So because it's a sweep, then there's a high chance that this becomes the target. You understand that now? If this leg close to the body on daily, then the reversal is already on board. But because it is a sweep, then there's a high chance that that guy is a target. Okay? Do you get that? Yeah. I'm saying this leg now, if this leg broke with the body, that means it's showing that yeah, reverse, but it gave a sweep. It gave a sweep. So probably you're still gonna have those targets. But let's see. If this guy respect and sweep this low, or we are reversing to target this guy. So let's keep our hands crossed, our fingers crossed, and see. If I say a sweep of this guy, definitely. So by Tuesday or Wednesday, which is today or tomorrow, we will know if this guy is going to buy. Monday is bearish, Tuesday is forming bearish. Wednesday might turn bullish and not move, but we keep our fingers crossed. Keep our fingers what? Crossed. Yeah. So let's drop down to 1 hour and see what gold is doing inside this demand zone. What is gold doing inside the demand zone? Let's have 4 hours first. So I have this demand currently on gold. Let's see, and this is 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is 4 hours. Okay? So let's see how gold will react in this demand zone. Let's see how gold will react. If there's a shift here, if there is a shift here, oh boy, this guy the guy or the buyer. If there will be a shift from this point, that means we are ready for the buy. If there will be a shift from this point, we are ready for the buy. So what will I do now? I'll go to 15 minutes or 5 minutes. If I see a shift on 15 minutes, 5 minutes, we are ready for the buy. So let's go to 15 minutes. Then we go to 5 minutes. On 15 minutes, what do I want to see? My brothers and my sisters. On 15 minutes, what do I want to see? I want to see a shift in market structure. As price has tapped into my Monday low, and we are currently, I want to see a shift. Okay, the lower low, yeah. So here, 15 minutes change of character. 15 minutes change of character. 15 minutes change of character. Let's see what is. Let's see. 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 Okay. I can get it from. I can get it earlier here. If I see a shift from this first place, I'm good. If I see a shift from this first change, that's a risk entry. Okay. But we are going to monitor price every 15 minutes, every 1 hour to your chart to see what the price is doing. So there is no setup yet. Let's do silver, XAG XAG silver. Silver has the same agenda. So let me first go to my daily, like we did for gold. What's happening on daily? Silver. So we can see that for silver, we have actually even we have had a change of character because for silver it gave a body. That's crazy. It gave a body and it came back to this supply as two with a CRT. Can you see? Supply with CRT, supply with CRT on silver, supply with CRT, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and this is Monday, this is Tuesday. That means we are targeting this guy according to what we are seeing here. Yeah, according to what we have here, this is what I'm seeing on silver. This is what I'm seeing on silver, guys. Is silver clear? Mr. Pastor silver drop. So gold might likely also drop more. Okay. This is what we have, yeah. Let me send this to the group. So let's go to lower time frame for silver and let's see what we are expecting. Silver. This is daily, right? Daily. So to be safe, I want to also fulfill all righteousness to mark my Monday high and Monday low. Guess what? According to my candle science, there's what is called drop, base, drop. Drop, base, drop. So I'm sensing that for us to have a drop, look at this carefully. I'm sensing that we have a drop here, we have a base here. This candle will be a drop. A drop, a base, and a drop. So I'm expecting Tuesday to sell for my candle science. I'm expecting Tuesday to what? To sell. So drop. So I now need to know where and when. Where and when. But for Tuesday, I expect Tuesday, which is today, to drop. But it's now a question of where and when. But I expect Tuesday to drop. And my target would be this previous day low. That would be my target. Previous day low. So that day will be a Monday, yeah. So I'm targeting this guy. Okay, this is my target. What bank level would that be? I'm coming. I want to set my levels for silver once again. What can I do to this guy now? Let's see. 50, 5. Sorry. I'm going to do 2.5. Okay. 2.5. I'm expecting the market to come to 7.5. Perfect. 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 So guys, look at this carefully. I can tell you for free. Mark today's date. Mark today's date. Silver is coming to 47.5. Write this down. Write 47.5. Write 47.5 on the chat box. Everybody, 47.5. 47.5. If nothing happens to this candlestick, we are targeting 47.5. So we now want to know where and when. Where and when is what we are looking for now. Where and when. Where and when. So let's continue. Let's continue. We are trying to dig out. We are trying to dig out something. 47.5 is the next. And again, I use my colors blue to blue. So we have swept this blue. The next blue is 47.5. Okay. And don't be surprised if it even comes to this target. So that's a swing low. It might even come below 47.5. It might. So 47.5 is my next target for silver. But let's now go to lower time frame and see how we can take advantage of that. Right? 47.5. So let's now go to the 1 hour that we have and let's see how we can take advantage. Yeah. Oh shit, sorry. Oh. Okay, 4 hours first, right? So we are still dropping, yeah? We are still dropping. We are still dropping. We are still dropping. So where can we possibly get a sell? Supply, right? Supply. And where's our supply zone in this chart? This block. So for me, I would mark this, I'll mark this block. This is a safe place as a location, and I'll wait. I will wait. Let me use 4 hours for that block here. So this is what I have for silver. That is my closest point of interest. Yeah. So I'll wait for silver to retrace back into that block. Okay, and we take it off from there. So I think that's all for today. Um, that's all for today. Let's keep practicing. Let's keep, yeah.